The pixels are significantly larger than any projector I've come across. The pixels are large squares making a very rough edge. It's like making a picture with coloured Lego blocks. What I've got here is I've got an Xbox 360 which obviously plays full HD games. I've got NBA 2K11, which is a full HD game. It's important to have a device that plays full HD. The cable itself should be of high quality, which I've got the factory direct guys free cable that they've given with this projector. The content itself, so the game, should also be full HD. The next device that I have here is a LG 3D Blu-ray disc player underneath the box there. Bought it especially for this projector. Once again, it's important to have devices that can play full HD. And tonight's movie is Thor, which is a Blu-ray disc that I hired from Civic Video tonight. So we're going to have a look at each one of these devices, and also I've got my laptop here that has the VGA cord plugged into it. So we'll have a look at the game first. Just switch around here. Okay, here we go. Switch it over to the game. Come down here, see what it looks like. So as you can see, it's not as smooth as it should be. Come closer. There we are. Come on this side. You can see the lines, but they're not smooth edges. See that? The writing itself, as you can see, is just not smooth. It recognises that it is a 1080 picture, but it sure doesn't look it. You can see those little squares. It's quite off-putting. Okay, next we'll have a look at my laptop. So let me switch it over. There we go. Yes. So that's my desktop, as you can see in there. Picture looks clearer on the laptop. Projected out there. Have a closer look. Can't even read those icons up there. If only if I put it like a couple of centimeters away. So you can kind of see those little squares. It's like a netting. It's like a net or some kind of mesh that's covering the projector, and the picture's trying to shoot through these little the net itself, but there is no net over the projector. Obviously, it's just those are the pixels trying to make up the picture. So not a smooth picture once again. You can hardly see any detail in the eyes. Let me pull up another picture. Doesn't give a smooth edge. You see these little squares and mesh all in there. So let's have a look at the Blu-ray now. This is the Blu-ray player menu. I'll select the movie Thor. Okay. So as you've seen with the Xbox 360, the pictures are quite rough, not very smooth around the edges. The same with the laptop itself, and you'll find no difference with a Blu-ray player. I'll move up to this the selection of the language, and we'll kind of see once again the very block looking text. Just like everything else, you can see those little squares, those mesh like squares, blocks that attempt to make a nice picture. See around the curve there. English, move on. Okay, let's select scene. Maybe we'll go 1 before 6, since we've already been to 6. So this is the New Mexico desert. Should be quite dry looking, but it's quite colourless really on the projector. Not much colour at all, even on this car. Let's see around the edges, those lines not smooth. If the If the pixels were smaller, like a grain of sand, as in the case of more expensive projectors, then the picture wouldn't be so block looking. So there you have it. Those are the 3 issues with this projector. One, that the arrows on the projector itself are quite unreliable and don't scroll too well. The digital TV is non-existent, and the picture quality is quite poor because of the pixels being quite large. So thanks for listening, and be careful for what you buy on ebay.com.au.